Good evening and namaskar. Today is Republic Day, 26th January 1950. Sorry, that was the day I was born. 26th January 1950, and that was our first Republic Day. And today also is a Republic Day. I wish the country and all my fellow countrymen all the very best in the days to come. Today, we will look at a company which is serving the country's defense in an exemplary manner. Its financials are also good, but its service to the country, in my opinion, is very good. The name of the company is Preimer Explosives Ltd. It's a leading manufacturer of high energy materials for industrial and defense applications. Among the user industries, the first is defense, the second is mining, and third is infrastructure sectors. It is the first company in India to have developed indigenous technology for manufacturing explosives. It is the first company to produce safer and greener NHN detonators on commercial scale, replacing AHA detonators. It is the first and only Indian private entity manufacturing and supplying solid propellants to India's prestigious missile programs, and reached a milestone of delivering 2000th booster grain for Akash missile in 2018-19. It has a great vision for the future. So many things are there, but I am just mentioning two of them. It wants to enter export market with all its defense products. It wants to develop capacity for missile integration and meet the full requirements of ISRO's strap-on motors. It is ably headed by an efficient, well-qualified technocrat, Dr. A.N. Gupta as CMD, and C.V. Chowdhury is its Deputy MD. It has got very good collaborations for R&D purposes. The plant locations of Preimer Explosives are Peddakandukur, Katepalli, and Godavari Khani and Mangunuru, all in Telangana. And Neyveli in Tamil Nadu, Singrauli in Madhya Pradesh, and Chandrapur in Maharashtra. Now let us look at the Q3 results. In Q3, the net sales were 69.36 crores compared to 68.47 crores, a year-on-year growth of 2.77%. Quarter-on-quarter growth is more impressive, 29.55%. Now, the consumption of raw materials has come down slightly from 43.76 crores to 35.36 crores. That is come down by 19%. But quarter on quarter it has increased by 32%. Now, the net profit is quite impressive. The profit margins have improved. From 1.6 crores, it has come to 5.69 crores. An improvement of 255.6% year on year. Even on quarter basis, the comparison is quite good. Now 5.69 crores, previous quarter is 2.36 crores, and quarter on quarter improvement is 141%. So net profit increase is 255.6% year on year and 101.1% quarter on quarter. Quite impressive growth in the profit margins. Now, the equity is static at 10.64 The basic EPS has grown very well from 1.54 rupees to 5.35 rupees, a growth of 247.4% year on year and 140.9% quarter on quarter. That is, net profit and EPS have grown very impressively. Sales have also grown a little, not much. So profit margins have grown actually. The current market price is 258. 52-week low was 160. 52-week high was 458. Low was 160, high was 458. Current price is 258. So somewhere in the middle. The price earning ratio is around 12. Volumes are reasonably good, 46,920 transactions per day. So buying, selling is not a problem. Face value is rupees 10. Now, of course, during 2018, almost all companies have come down from their yearly highs. From 458, it has come down to 258, some 41% lower. But 2019 could be better for price also, for assuming that the political developments will be good. 2019 could be a good year. 2017 was a very good year. 2018 was a very bad year. 2019 could again be a reasonably good year. But on the long term, Preimer Explosives can appreciate to a reasonable extent. I can't say it will be a great multi-bagger, but it could be a very good addition. Preimer Explosives has been operating and maintaining solid propellant plant of ISRO at SHAR Sriharikota for the past 10 years. So it is maintaining the solid propellant plant of ISRO for the last 10 years. Now ISRO has been very quickly multiplying its space explorations from one quarter earlier to one per month now. You see, in the last 4 years, the pace of space explorations have enhanced like anything. Now it is one per month. Earlier it was one per quarter. Credit goes to ISRO, but credit should also go to the government. Government has identified a piece of land which is much closer to SHAR. Now, if this plot is allotted finally to Preimer Explosives, it plans to manufacture solid propellant initially and backward integration later. Now, ISRO will also outsource PSOL XL strap-on motors 6 production to Preimer Explosives. A trial order was given, which was successfully executed by Preimer Explosives. Now, there is a lot of new business coming in the way of Preimer Explosives in defense and space. Propellants are there, pyros are there, explosives are there, lots of things are there which are coming in the way of Preimer Explosives. ISRO is willing to give them. I have got confidence. And countermeasures like chaffs and flares, propellants, pyros, explosives, countermeasures, all these things are likely to be given to Preimer Explosives by ISRO and the other defense departments. Now, Preimer Explosives has received industrial licenses from DIPP for numerous products like mines, explosives, bombs, etc. So, what are the growth drivers for Preimer Explosives in the future? The Defense Procurement Policy of 2016 linked to Make in India. Now, defense procurement policy has been linked with Make in India to ensure that defense production is largely made in India. So, these are all new measures that have been taken by the new government. Now, indigenously, that is, it wants indigenously designed, developed and manufactured articles procurement. There is a policy, IDDM. So many things will be sourced locally, many things will be manufactured, developed locally. Now we are seeing Rafale. Rafale may be purchased to a certain extent from France, but a lot of it will be manufactured locally also. Now, Strategic Partnership Policy and Defense Procurement Organization formulated in 2017. Procurement policy was in 2016, Strategic Partnership Policy is 2017. Now, Indian explosives industry is in the top 5 in the world. It requires coal requirement, and coal requirement is now coming. Defense offset market. Defense offsets are also coming. Now we are always talking about other companies like Anil Ambani, Asaf Arsa. For no reason that fellow has become famous. Now defense offset market is also looked at by Preimer Explosives. So many companies are looking at offset policy now. India now has access to advanced missile technologies as a member of the MTCR. Advanced missile technologies are being sourced to India. Now, it has got highly trained manpower also. And it wants to develop low-cost processes and techniques for high technology areas. It is developing capacity for missile integration for SHAR. It wants to meet full requirement of ISRO strap-on motors, and it wants to enter export market. It has got a lot of strengths. In-house development is there, pyrogenic igniters, LRSAM composition, sledge rocket motor, so many things. Now, production is happening under what is known as the TOT, boosters, motors, rockets, etc. And projects for Air Force, shafts and flares, air target imitators. These are all ongoing. Under development are 70 mm rockets, air glide bombs, regraining of existing missiles, indigenization of power cartridges, canopy severance systems, etc. In missile value chain also, it has gone in for forward and backward integration very heavily. So like that, lots of things are happening at Preimer Explosives Limited for future defense. That is all the three, air defense, etc. So it is a company to watch. It is well into supporting our defense strategies. So there are so many other companies, but Preimer Explosive is exclusively for this purpose. Of course, it is supplying explosives, etc. to others also. Now, we wish Preimer Explosives a wonderful future, and just go on watching Preimer Explosives, and it's a profitable company, but looking at its potential, it could be much more profitable in the future. So, with this, I wish you all a wonderful Republic Day and a wonderful career in stock marketing. Choose your stocks well. I have always been telling, choose portfolio management techniques and choose excellent stocks. Be a long-term investor and profit from the long-term investment program. We should be like this Preimer Explosives, always developing our techniques even in stock taking. Thank you for watching. I will be back with you with another good company very near future. Thank you.